Wi-Fi connected but no internet? Or maybe your phone says saved network but still no signal? Bro, that's one of the most annoying problems ever. But don't worry. Today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi issues on Android and iPhone in just 2 minutes. Step 1. Forget and reconnect Wi-Fi. Go to your Wi-Fi settings, tap your network, and hit Forget. Now reconnect and enter your password again. You'll be shocked how often this simple step fixes the problem instantly. Step 2. Reset network settings. If your Wi-Fi still misbehaves, it might be a settings glitch. Go to Android, Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Network Settings, iPhone Settings, General Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your apps or data, just resets network settings. Step 3. Router and DNS trick. Unplug your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Next, go to Wi-Fi settings. Advance, change DNS to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Google DNS. Boom, your speed and connection stability instantly improve. Bonus tip, avoid standing too far from your router or near walls. Signals weaken fast, and if your phone has Wi-Fi assistant or smart network switch, turn it off. It often causes disconnections. So that's it. Simple, quick, and working methods to fix any Wi-Fi issue on Android or iPhone in 2025. If your Wi-Fi just came back to life, smash that like button, comment which trick worked for you, and subscribe to RK Tech for more easy, real-world tech fixes.